Stop. Before you scroll, do you want to speak real English? The English you use every single day from morning to night?
Yes, not book English, not hard English, simple, daily English you can start using today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning podcast.
Hi friends, I'm Umair.
And I'm Anam. Today's topic is very special and very useful.
Yes, today we are learning English for daily life, from morning to night.
That means how to speak English when you wake up, during the day, and before you sleep.
Step by step, slowly, easily.
And don't worry, this lesson is for beginners and intermediate learners. So
If you can understand simple English, this episode is for you.
relax, maybe grab some tea, and let's start. Okay, Umair, let's start with the morning.
Yes, morning English is very important because your day starts here.
First sentence. Very common. Very easy.
Listen carefully. Good morning.
Again, good morning.
You can say this to your family, friends, or coworkers.
Now, when you wake up, you may say,
I'm awake. Anam, quick question for our listeners.
yes.
Do you wake up early or late? Early or late?
Good question. Okay, next. In the morning, people often talk about sleep.
For example, I slept well.
Or, I didn't sleep well.
Simple, short, useful.
Repeat after us. I slept well.
I didn't sleep well.
Now, let's talk about morning actions.
Things you do every day.
For example, I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I make breakfast. Anam,
Very simple verbs. Very daily life.
Anam, what do you do first in the morning?
I check my phone, then I brush my teeth.
See? Real life.
Let's talk about breakfast.
You can say, I'm having breakfast.
Or, I had breakfast.
If you are late, you can say,
I'm in a hurry.
very useful sentence.
Mini recap time.
Good morning.
I just woke up.
I slept well. I didn't sleep well.
I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
I'm having breakfast.
Great job. Yes.
Now it's time to leave home.
Let's learn English for going out.
Before leaving, people say,
I'm leaving now.
or, I'll be back later.
Very common. Very natural.
Now imagine you are on the road.
Maybe you take a bus, car, or bike.
You can say, I'm on my way.
Repeat. I'm on my way.
If there is traffic,
There is a lot of traffic.
or, I'm stuck in traffic.
Relatable, right?
Very relatable.
Sometimes you need to ask the time.
You can say, what time is it?
Or politely. Excuse me. What time is it?
Simple and polite.
I'm leaving now.
I'm on my way.
There is a lot of traffic.
What time is it?
Perfect. Let's continue.
Now we reach work or school.
This part is very important for daily English.
When you start work, you can say,
I'm at work.
or, I'm in class.
If you're busy,
I'm busy right now.
if you're free,
I'm free now.
let's talk about tasks.
Talking about tasks, I'm working on it.
I need help.
Can you help me?
Very useful sentences.
Everyone loves breaks.
Yes. You can say,
Let's take a break.
or, I need a break.
Anam, tea break or coffee break.
Tea break. Always. I'm at work.
I'm busy right now.
I need help.
Let's take a break.
Amazing.